me, no apologies. This is who we are. This is how I'm coming, and this is how you are going to receive me. Are we moving in the right direction?
A goal, it's a goal to be
I
achieved.
don't want any of this to be fluff. I don't want it to just last a short time and it dies.
The digging deep is so incredibly important. And when we can share it in an intimate environment like we have here, then it's you're able to go deeper safely, you know, and that's where some of the transformation happens.
You got to talk about the bad to feel good about it, because you know you overcame the bad, right? You got to say groundbreaking too on top of that, right?
I've seen an alignment in every day with what we've done the night before.
And I can't wait to go back and then journal about it.
The week has been amazing.
The transformation happens. No, it's been great.
But as far as the experience, it's been amazing. It's been great. I loved it since day one. Just been amazing. It's been an amazing week.
I am so super excited because I have a new level of confidence in exactly who I am and who I'm called to be. And like, this is
I'm shining, I'm joyful because this is what I've been through. And if I can come over that, then I have to be happy for life. I have to be ready and confident that God's going to get me through whatever it is that life throws at me. Who is going to shine the light on us? No one but us. Yes, we shine the light on each other because that's our hearts and that's who we are. But those that we want to reach, we have to shine our light. We have to show them that we're here